This home is brought to you by Darren Webb of Team Webb at Century 21 Goodyear Green. Beautiful gym in Pleasant Grove with tons of charm. Entry opens to living room west/fireplace plus backyard access. Open kitchen west/gas range, dishwasher, microwave, breakfast bar, tons of cabinets and work area, granite countertop and tile backsplash and large pantry and additional work area. Laundry area is off kitchen west/garage access. Dining area is open to kitchen along west/breakfast bar. LRG master suite has DBL sinks, walk-in shower, tub and walk-in closet west/storage. Secondary bedrooms include 2 bedrooms in the front sharing hall bath west/tub/shower combo plus hall storage closets. Refrigerator, washer and